Global Retirement Index. The Global Retirement Index, GRI, is an attempt to examine the factors that drive retirement security and to provide a comparison tool for best practice in retirement policy. It has been published since 2012 by the French company Natixis, which specializes in asset management. Norway, Switzerland and Iceland are respectively the first, second and third placed countries. India ranks 43rd, which is the bottom rank. It is preceded by Greece and ranks also last among the BRIC economies. Qualifying countries. The countries on the list are from the following organizations. Metrics. The Global Retirement Index is a composite welfare index which combines a total of 18 target-oriented indicators which are grouped into 4 thematic categories to calculate the position on the index. The indicators are then used to create a percentage score. Countries are ranked by the score. The 4 categories cover 4 relevant considerations for welfare in old age are listed below, along with the indicators that fall under them: health, material well-being, quality of life/environment, finances in retirement.